Does your brain ever go on tangents? Mine does. The more I figure it out, the more it's like, I mean, I can be doing something very productive and meaningful, and all of a sudden a thought will pop into my head like, I need to untangle my daughter's string puppet thing, and it needs to be done right this second. And the frustrating part of it is that just as soon as you think you've got it completely figured out, something else gets tangled. It's just like this little fishing line type wire. Twist it around. They even give you a little disclaimer on the top of the bar here. Let's see what it says. Instruction. If strings tangle, slide strings out slots on handle, untangle, and place them back to slots. Fluff item shaking body before play. Crafted in China. Well, they make it sound so easy. So let's just try these instructions if I can understand them. If strings tangled, slide strings out of slots on handle, untangle, and then place back into slots. Well, they are out of the slots on the handle, and this is even more tangled up than when I started. Even more tangled up than when I started. And I can't take this inside and be like, honey, here's your toy, it's ready. And then it looks all like limp and crisscrossed and out of place. That wouldn't be fair, would it? I mean, I'd be better off just inventing a character that's like a limp puppet that talks. And wait a minute, we might be onto something. What does Pinocchio say? I got no strings. Did you do that? I did. No, I'm just a terrible ventriloquist. I know. Oh, okay, well, I guess this ship has sailed. It sure has.